Yo you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this video going on about this little fidget toy, which we'll unpack in a second here. And as you can see, it's wrapped up quite nicely, so I'm sorry if it takes a little longer than it should. I will try my best to be fast in here. And it comes in this little glittery box, which is interesting because I don't know why it would, but whatever. And then let's have a look. We pull this out. Oh, it comes also another covered frame, so that's really packaged well. And it looks like a little coin, a silver coin, with a skull on it. It's for keeping people busy or having something to do in their hands. I bought it for one of my students. That's what it looks like. As you see, it looks like a skull, at least to me. Maybe it's not a skull, I don't know. And what you do with it, or what it does, is you hold it in your hand and you just flick it around. Because of the magnets in there, it has a little movement, and then it pulls itself back. So there's something that's keeping you distracted or to do while you're in class or whatever. And he really enjoyed it. I gotta say that. It's a little annoying. It does a little click sound, which you don't hear because I muted the sound. But if you can, like, not get distracted by that little sound, it's totally fine, and it is definitely keeping him from doing stupid things, so I'd rather have him clicking a little bit than doing stupid stuff in class.